red bean. And I'm cutting it. So I want to take a paper towel and just wipe this out. Wipe out the water. And then get the scissor and just cut the edge off so it's easy for you to fold this side. Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Elisa. Today I will show you how to make banana rice cake. So let's go over the ingredients that we need for today. You will need, of course, banana. Any kind of banana will work. This is apple banana. Normally when Asian cooking, we normally use this kind of banana and you want it ripe. And then you will need sticky rice. This is sticky rice, or call it sweet rice. You will need red bean. This is red bean. You need coconut milk, jackfruit, and this is the red bean that I cooked. Right here, this is the sticky rice. You have to soak the sticky rice for at least 4 hours in water, and I clean it 3 times and just let it soak for about 4 hours. And lastly, you will need some banana leaf, and they do come in packages like this. You can get them from the Asian market. So you want to clean that, and once you clean it, you're gonna wipe it dry. So these are your ingredients, and you also need a little bit of sugar and salt. So right now I'm just slicing the jackfruit into small pieces, just like that, thinly. Okay, after you peel the banana, get your knife and just slice it in half. And now we're going to start cooking the sticky rice. Okay, now I'm going to add some sugar. Add in some salt. You're going to cook this until the coconut kind of reduce a little bit. You see how the coconut is evaporate like this? Bring on your heat, and then you're going to add in your sweet rice, sticky rice. So you're going to cook this for about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're just going to turn off the stove. Once the rice completely cool down, you're going to add your red bean and your jackfruit. You're going to get a little scoop of the mixture that we did earlier. Okay. About 2 tablespoons. Like that. And then you're going to add a piece of the half banana on top. See, got it? And then you're going to add about 2 more tablespoons on top. Just like that. Okay. You want to cover everything rice, all over rice. Then you're going to roll it up. Roll it up, roll it up. Okay, flip like that. At the end, Okay, you're gonna squeeze like this. Then you're gonna fold one side in and the other side in like this. And then you're going to the other side like this again. Okay. Where it's at, you're gonna bend this side like this and the other side in. There you go. Banana wrap. Okay, you're gonna stick it in your steamer just like so. There you go. Easy. We're ready to steam the banana cake. You're gonna cook this for 30 minutes. Okay. About 35 minutes has passed, so I think it should be done now. So here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Whoa, it's pretty big. Okay. So let me open one. Put it down. Hot. Delicious. Hey guys. Perfect. Delicious. Okay, that is it for our video today on how to make a steamed banana cake with jackfruit and red bean. I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment if you ever have a chance to do this recipe. And again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you get notification on my new video. So until the next video, thank you for watching and bye.
Mom,
How come you don't want to stay at the park?
you don't want to stay at the park?
I like it. Take, yeah.
Perfect.
Good. Well, perfect. Everything.
Đà lên một đòn.
Yeah.
Không xong bye.
Để một bên.
Một bên nông xóm cho anh nè, xóm cho hôi.
Hỏi
Cha.
nhắm tính cái nhau ọtឆ្ងាញ់គេដាក់ដូងតិចពេក
Ôm sạm á, ôm sạm á.
ចា
Thảo.
6
Chắc, rửa quá rồi cả.
អរគុណចា
Bọn thọt.
ច្រើនចា